All right, so that's one mode there, the flash, and then two flashes and a red light. Via this handy remote control, press the bottom button once, two flashes and green light. There you go. I'm not doing anything here, it's just running on its own right. All of this stuff's non-volatile, incidentally. Turn the power off to the bulbs, turn it back on, the setting stays the same. Blue. Now then, keep going. White, full on. Red, full on. Green. Blue. Orange. Purple. Cyan. Faster flashing. All sorts of combinations. I'll just go through them. And then eventually I'll get back to my white with red. There's quite a range on here. Something for everybody. Cycling enthusiasts will be particularly happy about some of this stuff, I would imagine. And of course, because they're rechargeable, there you are, back to square one. Because they're rechargeable, you don't have to worry about the cost of running them. That was the bottom button. The top button, both of the outside buttons here have short press and long press functionality. Then there's a central button that just, if the whole thing stops, if you've got it set to run out after a while, you can trigger off a single pulse. And so there it is. All sorts of fun for €15.